What's up, guys? Back with another one, another Ren reaction. This one's called "The Hunger," the official music video, and this is the one where they're telling me that if you want to hear his rap skills, then you probably want to check out this one. So here we are once again, back again. Yeah, guys. Last two reactions I did. Wow. And I want to give another shout out to Ren. He probably never see my reactions anyway. But, you know, maybe you can pass on the word. Sandman is amazing at reactions for your music. But anyway, I want to actually give a shout out to him. Put out in the universe. Thank you for supporting us reactors. You know, because a lot of artists, they don't want to give up the copyrights, you know, to let us to be able to make a little bit of money off this stuff, you know, because this is fun for me because I have a total passion for music, and you know, I wish I could have been doing this a long time ago, and yeah, something that I like to do, and I'd like to spend more time doing it, but you know, you gotta pay the bills, right? And folks like Ren is allowing us to do that, and applaud to him, and applaud to all his fans, millions of fans. I mean, dude has loyalty, and he's a lucky man. That's all I can say. So yeah, thanks to him for that, because there's some people that just didn't want to give it up. I'm like, what the heck? They wanted to hear your song, they would just go listen to the song straight through without somebody like me talking all the way through. All right, so we're gonna get into the Hunger. And we're gonna check out his rap skills and this pig thing. I've been seeing this pig head a lot lately. It's pig head is kind of gross. But I'm wondering why he always has it in this video. Maybe one of you guys can answer that one, all right? So let's just go ahead and get right into this, all right? Let's go.
Poison in my veins lights a flame in my brain that maintains the pain that may change my frame of mind. Blind, I design rhymes intertwined, double time, genuine Frankenstein. I made a monster. Conquer, music scene, golden ticket, Wonka, conjure. Lyrics in my belly, I got thunder. Younger.
You know what that reminded me of when he went like this? Clockwork Orange. For some reason, it just did. I don't know if you guys ever seen an old movie, real old. But Trip, the movie's a trip. Let's go back up a little bit. Right here, see, look at that. All right, okay. Yeah.
Name of mine, blind, I design rhymes intertwined, double time, genuine Frankenstein. I made a monster. Conquer, music scene, golden ticket, Wonka, conjure. Lyrics in my belly, I got thunder. Younger, everybody wishes they were younger. The older I'm getting, the more I feel the hunger. Belted like a welterweight, helter skelter, need out the alpha, beta, delta. I help you into the fall, I shelter melt. I mind the tea with these rhymes, I find you never felt. So feeling like this, feeling me, believing I'm a demon, I'm a devil. Fuck the game, completed every level, I'm a vessel. For spirits, a channeler, on my lyrics, I'm a rebel. I raise my fist, the anti-capitalistic pissed, I revel. In society collapsing, fantastic, now pump the treble. Think of the top of the tip of my tongue, and time telepathy. Terrified them with the terrible telekinesis, tantrumist, I torture the enemies. Flowing and flowing and growing and flowing, I swallow the flow like a Toblerone. I'm a feast on the flow, I'm a beast with the flow, then I'm switching it up and I'm taking it low. Giddy with the black heart in the car park by Primark, jamming Django, Reinhardt, living with a rockstar.
There we go.
Fine art, Vincent Van Gogh, I start making my mark.
Okay, he did that. Remember, people misunderstood me and thought that I wanted to hear him rap fast to solidify that he's a good rapper. That's not true. I'm kind of over the rap fast stuff. But he could definitely do it. It sounds really good.
Flowing and flowing and growing and flowing, I swallow the flow like a Toblerone. I'm a feast on the flow, I'm a beast with the flow, then I'm switching it up and I'm taking it low. Giddy with the black heart in the car park by Primark, jamming Django, Reinhardt, living with a rockstar, refine rats with a fine art, Vincent Van Gogh, I start making my mark like Frankie Sinatra, can call me Arthur. And my style is homegrown like growing Cali weed. Don't need no personal trainer, I got trainers.
Homegrown like Cali weed. This guy is yeah, he knows about Cali. All the way over there in the UK? That's funny. That's funny.
Like Frankie Sinatra, can call me Arthur. And my style is homegrown like growing Cali weed. Don't need no personal trainer, I got trainers on my feet. You know I got the soul in my bowl when I eat. You know I'm staying grounded when I grind up my beef. But if you got a problem, my brother, I might just put on some rubber gloves and just choke it till I erupt to some blood that just bubbles up. And the bubbles just double up and you struggle. But luck is up cause I'm subtle at covering up the trouble. Cover up the crime scene, 1990, that's my scene. My teen years were spent rolling the Thai green. Obscene fiend in a pair of baggy jeans, putting backy with the green. Roll a fatty, dopamine starts flowing. My cerebellum glowing, the pendulum is slowing. I'm swinging and I'm swaying, but I don't know where I'm going. Mind running Jesse Owens, hallelujah, Leonard Cohen. All the seeds that I've been sowing, slowly growing like trees. I grow, then I preach, scrap that I teach over beats. To all those that seek, teach on these streets. Streets can be bleak, but bleak was the place where I rose to my feet.
That was cool. That was cool. I'm curious because, you know, I'm not from the UK. I'm pretty sure that was done in the UK. That backdrop, you know, that was kind of cool. All that graffiti and stuff back there. I wonder where that is. You know, that was a great backdrop for that song. And he probably did it all in one take, because it seems like he's Mr. One Take, man. He just does the whole song all the way through. I don't know how he does it. My worst thing about music is really that part of it has really been my obstacle when I was doing it. My memory was crap. Hard for me to remember lyrics. And it's just amazing me how these artists can just keep all these songs in their head, just all the way through, just man, how you do it? There's got to be some way. Some hypnotizer, son. Unlocks a part of your brain that makes you retain things. If there is, sign me up. I want it right now. Because I think that honestly is a trait of a good artist, is the memory. Trait of anything, like comedian, actor, anything. The better the memory, I think the better your tool chest, right? So I don't know how I got into all that, guys. I apologize. I truly do. I really do. I had this popcorn out for when I was watching that Tale of Jenny Screech. That was awesome. Check out my videos and check out that reaction. Yeah. I want some more movies. I like the movies. I like that stuff. Okay, I want another movie. So guys, if you know something similar to that, go ahead and put it below. I already did High Ran. You know, I did Murder, or I did Money Games. I think I have to do another Money Game. I think I still have to do number 1 and number 2. I gotta get on that right now. All right, guys, that's it for this one. My name is Tommy, aka Sandman. We'll see you in the next one.